poliisi ya Uganda yonna omugenzi John Kisembo okuleta omaiso.
General JJ Odongo Abubakar uri Minister w'Intano Affairs azirenga nka polisi no kwekubasa kuya hecishani kibi ngo kubaturira n'abajigambaho oyihireho gukora no buringaniza amazima hamwe n'amani mingi.
The negative criticism will not go away. The only answer to that criticism is hard work in a professional way and a job well done. It will silence that criticism.
I told you I worked with him. Well, we are very closely. I do nothing. I hasten that you can tell me. I have never heard a story about him which is not the right story. I didn't listen, I didn't hear about that he has embezzled the money, he has eaten a bribe. If I am really mistaken, you can correct me. John never took what was not his.
Abana bamugenzi bazirengwisha babira ryo muntu murunja haribo nuko kushaba buri muntu we no kuguma ari kubahamya ngo habo kwa bafera umuntu bira ryo mugasho haribo.
That he loved beyond measure. Our home was always full. You would not tell who is his biological child, who is a relative's child. He loved us equally, and he did not segregate at all. We always tell people we come from a cosmopolitan family. You will find someone from the north, someone from the east, from the west, from central, and we are all related.
John loved education in the family. He educated all his children, and as I speak now, all his children are degree holders. There is nobody without a degree. He was in and out of the bank because of loans. As you know, the police is the least paid in the whole country, but he managed to educate his children.
The Uganda Police Force and the country at large have been robbed of a dedicated citizen with high integrity, commitment and experience in policing and crime prevention.
Bamuherize kitinisa kihango mu kumuzika we bari kutera amasaso mu mwanya kandi imikoro yone birebembirwe Uganda Police Force.
Rapman, rapiga risasi start. Yamri ya komanda. Risasi ya kwanza, piga.
Gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.